Question number 10 on your Math 1105 Test 1 review gives you the coordinates of 2 points that are endpoints of a line segment, and it asks you to find the coordinates of the midpoint. The most important thing to remember about the midpoint formula, I want you to associate midpoint formula with the word average. If I asked you, let's say you took test 1 and test 2, and I asked you to find your average test score of those 2 tests, I would hope you would add them together and divide by 2. You wouldn't subtract them. All right, there are a lot of formulas in this section. Some have minuses in them, some don't. The midpoint formula doesn't. Think of the word average. Add the x coordinates together and divide by 2. Add the y coordinates together and divide by 2, and you've located the midpoint of that line segment. So let's look at this problem. Specifically in this problem, these are your 2 endpoints of your line segment. If I want to know the location of the midpoint, of course it has 2 coordinates. To find the x coordinate of the midpoint, I average the 3 and the 1. 3 plus 1 divided by 2. To find the y coordinate of the midpoint, I average the y values. So I take them, I add them together, and I divide by 2. I have 4 divided by 2. I have, what, a negative 3 divided by 2. And that simplifies to the ordered pair 2, negative 3 halves. And that is the location, or those are the coordinates of my midpoint of this line segment if I were to draw it on graph paper.